Here I have Google Pixel 6 Pro with Android 13 installed, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. On this operational system. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the video mode, and then switch to the slow motion. So I don't have any toilet paper, so I'm gonna just record this pen rolling around the table, but it's going to be in slow-mo, so let's get it. Okay, we have it. Now let's check out what I got here. So here we go. As you can see, it even has sound on. This pen rolls extremely slow, just like in your favorite Hollywood action movies. Insanely cool. This is just mind-blowing. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.